You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. In German, we'll listen to the Dutch pronunciation as well. If you want to learn more German pronunciation, stay tuned. Yes, it's very common in Germany. Hans is the German pronunciation. So you got an H sound, H, Hans, and an S sound, Hans. Okay, Hans. Now, in Dutch, the pronunciation in the Netherlands is very similar to German, Hans, as well. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.